So here is an example of the FlipGrid and what it looks like. And so this was very easy. I just went to the educator sign up and clicked on that, and then I was able to create my own topic for my course. You just create a group. This was really easy. I could create the name of the group and give a little code that you can send to your students so that they're able to access this. And then I was able to just upload my student email addresses. And it was really nice. I just used this CSV file and that made it super, super simple. And then I just created the create a group. And so then it ended up taking me here and I was able to add a topic and then go through that. I did a writing autobiography. And so I can see here, I have the assignment description of what I want my students to do. And then I recorded a video too that they could look at and they could hear my own.
Hi everyone, it's Dr. Hodges and I'm here to explain your first FlipGrid. So what you're going to do is you're just going to give us a short autobiography about yourself. And
I can also include closed captioning, which is really important for ADA compliance. And so I think that's a great feature that you can tell your students about so they can have that modification in case that's something that they need. And then what I love about this is that students are able to go in here and add their own. I can make it active. I can then share it. I can add more information if I want. And so this is really great. I absolutely love FlipGrid and I'm really excited to use it in my own classroom.